Hi, hello guys, this is Ed Makram. Hope you're doing good. As we are talking about covering up the series on Excel, let's get started with it. And today's topic is on like hiding and hiding the cells or like rows and columns. So let's get started on it. Suppose you want to hide your data of your February, it's Feb 21. Just click on it, the column you want to hide. So you can do this by just clicking on hide. You could observe over here that this is what over here you could see there is a missing column. You could see A, B, and D. C is missing. You can bring back this by just clicking on that and reverse it back. That's it. That's it. Clicking on that, double click, you've got the column. And now if you want to do the same with column that you don't want to show your electric bill, click on it, hide the data, and if you want back, double click it. Yeah, you got it now. So this is how things work, guys. And if you want to hide multiple columns, you can do that too. Let's first, yeah. So you want to hide B, C, D, E. So you can do just need to click over here. Yeah, it's gone over. Yeah. Hide it. Double click it, you will get it. Put control over here and then click on this, then hide. See guys, you need to just click control key because you need to avoid like it will get out, and then you click double click again, and then you will, because you just need to activate this, so you need to hold on the key, because control key, because it will get again deactivated, the cell will get deactivated again. So same with the same with 6 or 7 rows or 8 you want to hide, so click on keep on control key, then enter, then hide. And then if you want to bring back that, double click on this all and you'll get the columns or rows back. That's it guys, hope you got it on like hiding and unhiding the like rows and columns. You can hide it single row and single column, and you can hide it multiple rows and multiple columns. Same with like single or multiple columns and multiple rows. That's it guys, thank you, have a great day, bye bye, take care.